Is Trump's assassination attempt the real reason behind the 12% increase in Bitcoin's price this week and possibly bring back the bull run? What led the $300 million inflows in spot Bitcoin ETF despite the selling pressure caused by Germany government's sale of Bitcoin? What impact is the Mt. Gox rehabilitation plan causing on Bitcoin's price? How far will it tank? And what's the best course of action? Let's find out. There is no doubt the assassination attempt on Donald J. Trump had a huge positive influence on the market and specifically on the Bitcoin's price. But it does make us wonder why. The crypto market acts in strange ways. Since it is volatile, it is easily affected by numerous factors ranging from politics, legislations, economy, and by influential personalities like Elon Musk, CEO of BlackRock Larry Fink, and as it appears now, Donald J. Trump. Even though Trump was against crypto in the start, it appears his heart has softened over these last months. The Republican National Committee, whose leading candidate is Donald Trump, passed a draft of a policy platform on July 8. According to this draft, the platform aims to defend the right to mine Bitcoin and ensure every American has the right to self-custody their digital assets and transact free from government surveillance and also control. It also accuses Democrats of engaging in an unlawful crackdown on cryptocurrencies. It is possible that Trump's the one helped direct the Republican Party to change its official platform to include statements defending BTC miners and opposing CBDCs. Moreover, Trump announced that he will be accepting crypto contributions for his campaign. While this was not enough, he picked J.D. Vance as his running mate, who is a strong supporter of crypto. He is an Ohio senator reportedly holding up to $250,000 worth of Bitcoin in 2022, and is also one of the 60 senators who voted to overrule the SAB 1-to-1 accounting guidelines on May 16, which was then vetoed by Biden. Trump announced that he will be attending the crypto conference in Nashville, the very conference in which Bitcoin Magazine CEO David Bailey will hold a fundraiser for Trump's campaign. After the assassination attempt, Trump assured once more that he will be attending the conference. All this is leading the market to anticipate more favorable regulations. If Trump gets elected, and according to the founder of crypto research firm Reflexivity Research, this weekend's gains indicate a higher likelihood of Trump being elected as the next US president. When the assassination attempt took place, Trump raised his hand, showing solidarity, strength, bravery, and resilience, which for most people has almost sealed the deal for him to be the next president. And that is what led the stocks of related companies to experience 10 to 15% gains. And it's also led the growing bets on the online betting platform regarding Trump being the next president. And eventually it impacted on the crypto market as well. But this may not be the only reason. This week is full of defining factors that may have affected the market and they will continue to have an impact. So it is important for us to identify what those events or factors are because only then we'll be able to make accurate predictions. Here's a list of events and news. In number 1, we have Trump's assassination attempt, which we just explained in detail, and Trump choosing J.D. Vance as his running mate, who is a strong supporter of crypto. We have rumors that the China may be lifting the ban on Bitcoin, which is proven inaccurate by the analyst, but nonetheless, it definitely impacted the market. There has been strong inflows in spot Bitcoin ETF, reporting a sum of $300 million of inflows in all 11 spot ETFs, changing the sentiment from extreme fear to greed and FOMO. The CEO of BlackRock also had a change of heart regarding Bitcoin. He called Bitcoin digital gold and a legitimate financial instrument in his appearance on the CNBC. Germany government's Bitcoin sales are concluded, so the selling pressure is alleviated. The $300 million in spot Bitcoin ETF during the selling pressure showed that the institutional investors were buying the dip, or according to the Coin Bureau, it may have been the retail investors buying the dip. Bitcoin miners are hodling Bitcoin in anticipation of future price increase after the political and institutional events are signaling towards Bitcoin adoption by the state and the corporate. BTC futures premium increased to 11% from the neutral 10%, suggesting moderate optimism. The current neutral funding rate is indicating lack of investors' enthusiasm, which can trigger a surprise rally that can lead to liquidation of shorts, which will further propel the price of Bitcoin. Finally, there is one other event that is essential in predicting the price action of Bitcoin. There was a Japanese Bitcoin exchange called MatGox, which was the world's largest crypto trading venue a decade ago. In 2014, it filed for bankruptcy after a series of heists that saw up to 950,000 bitcoins. They blamed the disappearance of these bitcoins to a bug in the cryptocurrency framework. Anyways, fast forward to now, it appears that they have built a rehabilitation plan to refund the bitcoins to the rightful owners, which are referred to as the creditors. The amount of Bitcoin that will leave the cold wallet of Mt. Gox to these creditors will be huge. We're talking billions of dollars, and these creditors may choose to keep on holding or sell these Bitcoins. Whatever they do, one thing is for sure, it will happen suddenly. The plan is already in motion, and an outflow of approximately 100,000 Bitcoins worth $6 billion has been seen on July 16 to currently unknown addresses, according to Arham. This is two-thirds of the exchange's total holdings. This has led to a 3% shed, but the Bitcoin price is showing resilience in the face of these billions of dollars worth of Bitcoin leaving the cold storage. Popular traders are calling for caution, while others are calling the return of Bitcoin to below $60,000 a great opportunity because they will be able to buy the dip again before the Bitcoin takes off. So these were the key events and factors that we should keep an eye on in order to understand what's about to come. If you like this video, then do show your support by liking, commenting, and subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video shortly.